These upcoming questions are very important as we are going to discuss about types and stages of AI development and terms like AGI, ASI, which you should know even for day-to-day conversation. And as an AI engineer, we should know what we are working on and what we are developing. So the first type of AI is artificial narrow intelligence, simply known as narrow AI, which refers to the ability of AI to perform a narrowly defined task similar to humans or in some cases better than human. But remember, narrow AI can only perform narrowly defined tasks, which means we have to specify tasks very clearly without any error or issue. That's why it is also known as weak AI. However, it is the highest level of AI development that humanity has achieved so far, and every example of AI that you see in the real world falls into this category, including autonomous vehicles and personal digital assistant. That's because even when it seems like AI is thinking for itself in real time, it's actually coordinating several narrow processes and making decisions within a predetermined framework. The narrow AI thinking does not involve consciousness or emotion. ANI can be further classified into two types: reactive machine AI and limited machine AI. So, reactive machine AI are considered as the first major stage of AI development that only reacts to different kind of stimuli based on the pre-programmed rules. For instance, IBM's Deep Blue AI, which beat the chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, was an example of a reactive machine AI. It does not use memory and thus cannot learn more or enhance its performance with the new data. The second stage of AI development, which we are currently in, is limited memory AI. It can use memory to improve over time by being trained with new data. So all AI you see nowadays, even ChatGPT, is narrow AI in the limited machine AI stage. Second type of AI is artificial general intelligence, in which will come the third stage of AI, theory of mind AI, sometimes called strong AI or human level AI. AGI does not currently exist, but research is ongoing on its possibilities. Even though it is currently out of reality, but all major companies are working toward it. Even recently news came in that the ChatGPT organization OpenAI has achieved ANI secretly. That is why OpenAI has fired its CEO, but no clarification came on that later. So it is still considered out of reality till now. This type of AI will be able to emulate the human mind and will have the decision making capabilities equal to that of a human. It would be capable of creativity and imagination on par with humans and could take on a far wider range of tasks than narrow AI. And the last type of AI is artificial superintelligence, which will reach the final stage of AI development, self-aware AI. A step above theory of mind, ASI describes a mythical machine that is aware of its own existence and can outperform humans in almost every field, including scientific creativity, general wisdom, and social skills. But thankfully, like the theory of mind AI, self-aware AI does not currently exist. And if you are wondering why I said thank you, maybe you need to watch some science fiction movies. Thank you so much for watching the video till here. That means you gain value from this video. Please type awesome explanation in the comment section to let me know that you have watched video till end.